Tay. Alicia keys, no one. Key of E. It's 4 chords. Another easy one. Okay, boom. Take those chords. That's the whole song. So, E. I just want you close. To the B. Yeah. To C sharp minor. Where you can stay. To the A. Forever. Repeat. You can be so. Oh, oh. You can only get better. And then she does stuff like. Right? Alright, anyway, so let me break that down. Easy. In the left hand, all you're doing is playing. I play octaves. I just want you close. Where you can stay forever. And I repeat. You can be so. Where we can only get better. So that's how I play it. Left hand. Right hand, all it's doing is I keep my grouping close. I just keep my grouping close. Then I go to the B. Okay? I do it this way because all I got to do to go to the B is move this G sharp to the F sharp and then this E to the D sharp. And I still got these B's in my right hand. Okay? So from E to B, then C sharp minor. I play this way because I can easily go to the A. Take this G sharp, move it up to the A, and now you got an A chord, and you play that over the A. So all together it's I just want you close, yeah, where you can stay forever, and it repeats throughout the entire song. Yeah, she does stuff like something like that. Alright, so all that is, she's just rolling down on the E major chord. She's just going. Sorry, she's just going. Right? I think she's just doing that. So that's how I do it. Okay. Easy tutorial. 4 chords. The easiest thing you've ever seen in your life.